Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to share my new developed Shopify theme, and this tutorials is also a documentation of this theme that I have developed from scratch for my clients and subscriber and my visitor, also for you. So first I want to share the theme name. This theme name is Ninja Coffee, and this theme is developed for coffee maker product selling, and this is also a single product online shop or single product selling online shop. And first I want to share the front end of this theme, then I will go to the backend to show you how you can update this theme or setting or customize all the section without any coding skill. I hope you will enjoy the full documentation. So let's get started. Here is my theme homepage or front page, and first I have added a black background header with nice logo. This logo is for demo purpose. You have to add your own logo here, and then I added the menu in the center with nice hover effect with relevant color combination. Then I have added three icon in the right side. First I added the login icon, then register for non-logged user or non-registered user, then cart icon, dynamic cart icon that will be updated automatically when someone add any product on the cart. And of course this text also change when someone log in. They will see here that logout and my account instead of register. Then I added a slider with nice subtitle and a big title. Then I added a button that is fully editable, and here the product image. Scroll down. Then I added image with text for this product, as this is something like a landing page or single product theme. So here I add also some hover effect. Looks here. When someone hover on there, then there will be a border corner in the bottom right. Then I added some text with title and a shop now button or buy now button with nice hover effect. We scroll down, and here in the same way and different style I added another block with the text and image. Scroll down. Then I added a overlay effect with background image, and here also a nice title or CTA title and a button. I keep all the button in same color on the hover so that it will look very unique and user friendly. Then I added featured section for card block. All the card block added hover effect. Looks here when I put my mouse on any card, the border button color changed and icon color also changed with hover with the transaction. Looks here. Then I added testimonial. There are two different type testimonial. First I added a carousel testimonial. Look here, it dynamically changed with fade effect that is very unique and more professional than any Shopify free theme. For example, debug theme, you never get such testimonial section on the debug theme. Then I added another testimonial field. You can use anyone from here, this one, also this one. In the second testimonial I have added a video section so that you can use customer video feedback here. Also there I have a background image parallax with overlay. Okay, scroll down. Then I added a product details section where you can add your product image and product featured or product benefit one by one, and this section fully customizable from your admin panel. And in the button in the bottom I added a buy now or shop now button. Scroll down, then add a subscribe from, and after that I added our happy clients logo or partner logo. And finally in the footer I added simple three block footer. In first I added story information, something like about us, then quick link, and here the quick contact phone number with social. So here the front end of this theme. Now I'm going to the back end of this theme so that you can understand how easy this theme is customized from your admin panel without any coding skill. So I'm going to the admin panel right now. Here is the admin panel. Click on the customize. First, I want to show you the slider section. Here the slider section. So click on the slider item. We can change background image from here without any coding. Then slide image, then title and subtitle. Shop now button. Shop now, fully editable, and add button link. Okay, we have done this section. Now go to the next image column. Here the image column, and it's also fully editable. You can add image from here, change the column title, column description, and button text and color. Go to the next text image with column. First one was image column, then here the text image column, because first I added text, then I added the column. So you can see that everything is editable. Then add text overlay. Here the text overlay, we can change background color from here, or background image. Then add title or text, then shop now button text and link from here. Then go to the promo picture. In the promo picture section, we added cart box. Look at here, everything is editable from here. We added bootstrap icon. Just copy the icon code from the bootstrap icon website, and you can add max 4 promo picture. Then there will be a warning that you cannot add more. Then I added testimonial section, and this testimonial section is fully editable and customizable with fade effect, dynamically change. Then I added another section with testimonial video. Here the testimonial video section, portfolio, profile link, profession, name, image, then product picture. Here the product picture section. Look here, we can change the product image, product title, subtitle, buy now button, and we can also enable social share icon here. And for the featured list, we can add list from here one by one. All the list is editable. Okay, then add a subscribe section. From here you can change the title, text. Then we added our client section. Here we can add client's logo as item. Also they are linkable. We can add link of this logo. And finally we added our footer. So this is the basic introduction or basic guideline of my theme, Ninja Coffee. So I hope you can edit this theme very easily or set up your store with this theme very quickly without hiring a developer. So thank you for your time to watch this video. You can also contact with me if you need any support relevant Shopify theme development, theme customize, online store setup, redesign, and build a website from scratch. Everything relevant Shopify. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.